Good morning, children. Welcome back to our online classes by Little Scholars Public School. Today, we are going to learn our geography's third chapter, comparing a globe and a map, field visits. As we have learned in the previous chapter, meridians and parallels are drawn on a globe. We have also learned how they are used to determine the exact location. From this chapter, we are going to learn a map and a globe and understand the difference between them. Here you can see world map has been given, outline map of India and a globe. Depending on these, some questions are given here. This is the world map. This is the outline map of India and a globe. Some questions like which device is flat? A map is a flat. Which device is spherical? A globe is spherical. Which device allows you to see the entire area of the earth and at the same time? That is map. On the map we can see the entire area of the earth at the same time. Which device allows you to see one side of the earth at a time? That is a globe. A globe allows us to see one side of the earth at a time. Which device can be used for studying a particular region in detail? It's a map. And also, which device can be called a model of the earth? You know, all of you children, it's a globe. Globe is called a model of the earth. Now we are going to learn the difference between globe and maps. Globe is a three-dimensional, whereas the maps are two-dimensional. As you know, children, in the maths you also have been learned that the two-dimensional objects have length and width, and three-dimensional objects have length, width and height. That way the product of the length and width defines area. The map also the same, like the length and width defines area. That way the product of the uh, length, width and height provides us volume. This way globes and maps you can define or difference between them. The globe is only a representative model of the earth, whereas maps are used to study the whole world or also a small region too. You can see a particular state-wise maps also are available, but the particular state-wise globe is not available. This way you can understand the small region by the map, but from the globe it's a complete representative model of the earth, entire earth. Two-dimensional means a surface having two dimensions, length and width is called two-dimensional. For example, a paper, blackboard, tabletop, land, etc. And the three-dimensional means an object having three dimensions such as length, width, height, or you can say the thickness, is called three-dimensional. For example, duster, box, glass, pot, hill, the moon, etc. This way we have learnt the difference between map and globe. That's all for this session, students. We will see the next chapter in the next session. Thank you.